house ekade ine tenant, a house ekade ine tenant for 3 years, location ama tenant, you are looking at 250,000 in terms of renovation. When you are in Richards Bay, you got a house in Richards Bay, and now your homestead is in Bergville. You leave that 3-bedroom house in Richards Bay and go back to Bergville, stay at home, and you left umuntu lapha tenant lapha. Lo muntu wafaka abanye abantu kwi-room ne-room afaka abanye abantu. Labo bantu bahlala nga-2 bahlala nga-3. I-bathroom abayisebenzisa iyodwa. You are not listening to me now, so uyezela. I-bathroom abayisebenzisa iyodwa ngisho kuwena. Into eyenzekayo mebeflasha isuwa iya laphaya iyophuma lena iyablock because it's quite often ihleze bebaningi abantu abasese bathroom baningi kanti indlu yakho njobe inela suwa iyayenela ukuthi kuflash umuntu ngaleso sikhathi but ekuseni nje mebevuka bonke bavuka o4 bavuka o3 bavuka o5 uma ezogeza uqala toilet mezogeza uqala toilet and thereafter now and again you be called kuthiwa isuwa iblockile. We call a person to do that. You call a person. Aza kubuza how many people are staying there? Which one are 2? At each 2. Okay, fine. Because you know ufika abantu abawu7 egcekeni. Bonke ababuza ukuthi lizolunga nini toilet. That is tenants. Tenants are most likely eating on you. There's nothing that you can do in order to enrich yourself because you got tenants. Because mina at my age asike sigwele ngisaziyo. Esbe rich because he had tenants. Mina umuntu engimazi onama tenants ngazi umuntu onoxakile ohleze engafuni ukukhuluma impatient endlelisima because azikho izindlu kuthiwa ziphelele. If uziphelele ufuna mekhona umuntu ophuma yazi ukuthi uyolungisa lapha renovation. That thing is not made to make you rich but they're just pushing you. Because most of the time these people that are aging us ngena kwi-estate ngena kwi-property bona banama agendas ahlukene bafihlela usazi ukuthi imali bayithola kanjani abayitholi ngaleyo nto. Usazi it's a most feared department government. Ngalo ndlela ukwazi ukusho yonke into uyibeke phansi but laba bantu labana into enzekayo ufika uyakhe indawo yakho ibe yinhle indawo yakho bodlana ngakuthola u205 ngalama room mase ukuthi ngapha ushawe neighbor ukuthi abantu abafika abashawa umsindo ngapha kamakhelwane bathi ngoyeke ezuma indawo enjena ngeke le ndawo uqhuma isibhamu amakhelwane uqhuma isibhamu kuthuma inhlamba ayi abantu athi ngeke mina noma ngabe uthi 15 mengenza ngihlalela uyathola ukuthi bonke abantu attending uyozwehlisa iprice from that 2500 ubufuna uthi ufuna 15 usuncenga bo usulahlene 1000 lonke ulahle